Welcome back to CAD MAFIA. Today we will learn how to apply width mate in SolidWorks assembly. By using of width mate, we can constrain a part to be centrally positioned or precisely located between two planar faces. In this assembly, we can constrain this part centrally or precisely located between those two faces by the help of width mate. Let's start. First go to mate, then choose advanced mate and then select width mate. And first we have to select width mate selection. We have to select this face and this face. We will constrain this part centrally or precisely between these two faces. And then we have select the tab selection, select this face and this face. And then go to constraint and select centered and then click OK. Now we can see this part has been constrained and the center positions between these two faces, and we cannot move it right side or left side. And if we edit this mate, just click on free and then click OK. Now we can move it from one face to another face. And if we select dimension and give some dimensions, suppose this is 40 mm, and then click OK. Now this part has been moved 40 mm from this face. And if we click flip dimension, then this part has been moved 40 mm from this face. Okay, then if we select percent and give some percentage, suppose this is 30%, and this part has been moved 30% from this face. And if we deactivate flip dimensions, then this part has been moved 30% from this face. In this way we can apply width mate in SolidWorks assembly. And if we have a different shape like a cylindrical shape, then we have to first select this face and this face and then select this cylindrical face and click centered and then click OK. In this way we can apply width mate in SolidWorks assembly on a different shape. And if we have a different shape like this, then just go to mate and choose width mate, and now select this face and this face and select tab selections and select this face and this face and then click OK and close it. Now we can see this part has been moved at the center positions between these two faces. In this way we can apply width mate in SolidWorks assembly. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe our channel to get more updates.